dead bodies. Welcome back. This is Kirk with Kirk Creations, starting our training videos. Today is just a basic run through of veneers, its types and thicknesses and ways to store it. Well, let's start right here with some burls. Burls come in all different varieties and colors. We have some Carillion burl, some Madrone burl, some walnut burl, some Amboina burl. And this Amboina burl is actually a 0.9 millimeter. It's thicker than the production made 142nd of an inch stuff. So you get a little bit more material to work with. This is the jewel of the wood world. Down here we have some African satin wood. And this is what they call a bee's wing or model figure. You can see the weird grains like going across the grain. And then we work our way into rotary cut, which the veneers are cut around the tree like you're slicing an apple or peeling an apple. We have some Tamo ash, some Sapele pomele, and the pomel figure is this cloud look. And this is Bubinga pomel, which is sometimes referred to as Kiwazingo. And then we have Mbuya pomel, which is one of my absolute favorites. As you can see, the grain on this stuff is just crazy. There's also factory dyed veneers, which come in all colors and sizes and graining. This is just a small selection of what I have, but you can see that just in this little bit, there's a wide variety of colors. And most of these are stained, pressure dyed by the French, so this color will stay. This is quartered wood, where they take the tree and they just basically flat slice it. And it comes in, you can see all different colors and grains. This is also quarter cut, but this is Ziricote, which you can see. Ziricote is a crazy wood, so it grows all kinds of, just intermingles all the grain and everything. So when you're actually slicing it on the tree, you get this crazy figuring, which is still, it's this quarter cut just like these, but as you can see, these are more straight line. And talking about different thicknesses of veneers, the Japanese are slicing it so thin it's like paper, but you can get veneer. This is actually a veneer. It's 1/10 of an inch thick. This is maple, so you got a lot of material to work with there. The thicker stuff like this, though, you got very limited selection on species, whereas the production cut stuff, you get wide variety. As you can see, I'm a junkie, and I've got woods from all around the world. Some you can't even get anymore. Specialty thickness veneers, I have a lot of 0.9 millimeter, which I use for marquetry because you get a little bit more to work with. Okay, to go from this to this, you have to have a good core. There's different cores. There's plywood cores, solid wood cores, and this is the MDF core. And basically you just roll your glue on, and then you put your veneer on it, and then you use some form to press it, either a vacuum press, a hot press, or you take two boards and put it in between it, just use clamps and clamp it together. Basically, it's just a bunch of layers of veneers. There's like 8 veneers in there, and then I put a solid piece on the top and bottom, tape it together, put some nails through it, bend them over to hold it tight. And basically what you do...
It was based off of a, what is it?
Pretend we're not here.
18th century French saw. It's called a Chevrolet. Not Chevrolet, Chevrolet. Basically what you do is in here. It's a little a little rusty. It's got dust on it. Finger's dusty. Doesn't cut as well. I'm cutting out a heart for you, buddy.
Aw. Oh, that's sweet.
It's just for you.
Oh, cool.
See, so you got a whole bunch of them.
You can use
Oh,
every one.
wow.
And that's wax paper. There's wax paper in here to lube
Keep
the
them
blade.
separated.
No, it
Oh.
lubes the blade.
Oh, gotcha.
That's awesome.
So that's